DEFCON AI, a defense tech startup based in McLean, Virginia, is making waves in military innovation. With the rise of drones and artificial intelligence in warfare, the battlefield is evolving rapidly. Recently, DEFCON AI secured $44 million in seed funding, led by Bessemer Venture Partners. This capital will expand their team, enhance research and development, and broaden their dual-use offerings for both defense and commercial sectors. Christopher Wan from Bessemer has joined DEFCON AI's board of directors, alongside Dr. Ray O. Johnson, former Chief Technology Officer of Lockheed Martin. Co-founder and Chief Strategy Officer General, retired, Paul Selva emphasized their unique blend of software engineering and military operations expertise. Co-founder and CEO Yisroel Brumer stated, "At DEFCON AI, we're creating tools to revolutionize response planning in challenging environments." Their mission is to provide the Department of Defense with innovative software solutions for effective coordination and disruption management. David Cowan of Bessemer Venture Partners highlighted DEFCON AI's role in national security, building smarter logistics capabilities. Founded in 2022, DEFCON AI focuses on next-generation modeling, simulation, and analysis tools to empower military planners in complex logistics challenges.